Welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Fallout cookbook. Today we're making blue cornbread muffins. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below. To start this recipe off, you're going to combine 1 1/4 cups of finely ground blue cornmeal, or just regular cornmeal if you don't have access to blue cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, a teaspoon of ground cumin, and half a teaspoon of 2 teaspoons of ground coriander. You just mix those in a medium to large bowl. Now in a small bowl, you're going to combine 1/3 cup of unsalted butter melted and cooled, a cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, half a cup of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of honey. You are then going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until fully combined. If you don't have blue cornmeal and you want it to be blue, you can also add blue food dye to your wet ingredients. Finally, put them in muffin liner lined muffin tins and throw it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. I'm very conflicted on these. I didn't really like them, and it all boils down to the fact that they're too sweet. Half a cup of sugar and half a cup and a 1/4 cup of honey it makes it too sweet. I would knock that sugar down to like a 1/4 cup, or even like an eighth of a cup or something. Like I would knock that sugar down to maybe 2 tablespoons or something, because it's not, I don't know if they're just supposed to be sweet, but I definitely thought they were going to be savory, and they were too sweet to be savory. It was very strange. But the texture was good. They cooked fast. So I don't know, 6 out of 10? Maybe 7? Probably 6 though. Yeah, 6 out of 10.